Hi, I'd like to talk to you about OrthoPublish, which is one of the most useful tools that's been developed for all of us who are involved in doing research and writing and producing manuscripts for publication. It's a phenomenal tool that's been developed by the publishing team at the Bone and Joint Journal, but that frankly can be applied to any paper submission. Doesn't even have to be in orthopedics. It's the principle and the help that it provides you that is key. So anyone who's trying to publish a paper will find this useful. There are specific templates which apply instructions to authors to your paper, either through helping you to format the paper or guiding you through the factors that may normally fail you, the checks that happen when you don't comply completely with information for authors. Ultimately, it will save you time. It'll make it easier to format your paper overall. It will help you check your figures, your tables, your reference citations. It will even pick up the ones that are missing or in the wrong order, or if you've used incorrect abbreviations, or frankly, if you've just even failed, as we all have done over the years, to get it in the journal style. It'll make sure that your figures are of the right kind of flag quality and flag the ones that might raise concern. And it'll cross-check your references overall and highlight any errors. It's basically your auto proofreader that will help you with all aspects of the paper well beyond the simple tools that we've had access to before. Beyond that, you've got access to the free journal finder tool. Now, that may seem like an odd thing to access because many of us know what journals we like to publish in and where we like to submit. But in reality, Journal Finder brings together all the key information authors need when looking for the most appropriate place to publish that specific piece of work, rather than going to journal websites, looking at their scope, their editorial board, the information on their APC or their impact factor. You can access all that information in one place in OrthoPublish, and that will save you lots of time hunting through multiple websites, some of which, as we all know, are really tricky to navigate. In particular, I think you'll find it useful for the Bone and Joint journals. We've got specific templates to save you time with manuscript formatting. But it's not just for the Bone and Joint journal. Any paper for submission anywhere will fit into this mold, and that way you can save time overall because there are generic templates that you can use wherever you're submitting. This has been a phenomenal piece of work that is going to continue improving. We are in the process of creating templates for other journals that will be coming on live soon. But above all, we want to interact with you and hear from you as to what developments you want to see and how you would see it making your life easier in future. I would encourage you to try OrthoPublish. We've all wasted hours and hours trying to format papers, only to find that we've still missed some key issues or failed to recognize some facets of what journals require. This is your easy way of streamlining that process. Good luck.